Hello everyone. Let's look at how you can easily manage your subscription with our secure partner, Stripe Payments. Start by going to My Profile section. On your profile section, you can change your password, confirm which emails you'll like to receive. Transactional emails can't be unclicked, but you can choose to receive marketing emails about new promotions, new features or news coming up. On the bottom of the page you just have to click Manage Subscription. You'll be directed to your Stripe portal. From the customer portal you can upgrade or downgrade your subscription. You have choices from monthly or yearly plans. Once you have made your choices, you just click Return to read and rate on the blue sidebar, on the left side of your screen. For those wondering where you can cancel your subscription, you also have the choice on your Stripe portal to cancel your subscription. So that's how you can manage your subscription. You also have information on your actual subscription on My Profile page, like subscription fee, billing date, cancellation date, everything will be here. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped you understand where you can manage your subscription. See you on the next video.